This is Science Week 29, Day 3, and you have a question to answer to explain what you have learned this week and to show what you've learned. Very straightforward, really, today. Why are some stars, including the sun, so much brighter than other stars? And you have two parts that you need to answer. The first part, some stars, including the sun, are brighter than other stars because, and you're going to type in your answer there. And then the second part is the answer, the evidence we have that supports this. In other words, how do I know this is, and then you'll type that answer in. As always, there is a rubric on the next page. So for a 4, I can correctly explain why the sun is brighter than other stars. And I provide at least 2 pieces of evidence to support my ideas. So think back to what you've learned. What are 2 things that are going to support you on that? 3, to get a 3, I can correctly explain why the sun is brighter than other stars, and I give evidence to support my ideas. Then the other 2 you can read. 2 and 1 you maybe only partially explained, or you didn't even really explain at all for a 1. So that is your job for today in Science Week 29, Day 3.